Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create an assignment in Teams. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're inside of at least one of your teams, and then we can look across the top for the Assignments tab. You'll click here for the Assignments tab, and there are different ways you can create an assignment. You can create one that's a blank assignment where you're able to upload your own documents. You can create a quiz, which will then take you to a form that will allow you to either create a new form, or you can attach a form that you've already made. And you can also create one from an existing assignment. So I'm going to start with the blank assignment. It opens up and you'll create your title. You can add a category if you like, if you have some made. If you click on the add category, it also gives you the option to then name a category right there. So if you want to have a classwork category, you can simply name it that, and it will always appear in the classwork list. And it's convenient if you have some categories and you're looking for a specific assignment. You can simply look in that category and not have to search all of your assignments to try and find it. Once you've done that, you can enter your instructions. And you can add resources. So you click on the add resource, and your resources can come from different places. You can attach a document from your OneDrive. You can attach anything that you may have placed in the class notebook. You can attach a link to something if you have a web address, or if you want to show a video or something, you can always find the web address. You can attach a new file if you want to upload or create a new file there. I'm going to attach one from my OneDrive that is already made. And of course, it doesn't really matter what you choose. I'll just choose this one. All right, and it attaches here. And by default, it comes up as a document that students cannot edit. If you want them to edit the document or show answers or work or type on the document, you simply click the three ellipses out here to the right, and you can change it to students can edit their own copy. Once you've done that, underneath here, you can assign the points value. If you'd like to, you can create a rubric and click rubric here. If you already have one created, you can simply upload that rubric, or you can add a rubric here. It would allow you to actually create your own rubric and put in the number of points that you would use for that. All right, underneath the points value, you can assign it to whichever team you'd like for it to be assigned to. You can assign to multiple teams at once, so you would simply click the icon there and then go ahead and choose whichever of the other teams you'd like to assign it to as well. You can also choose the students that you want to assign it to. Underneath the assignment, you can change the due date. I think by default, it always defaults to the next day at 11:59 p.m. If you want to change that, you can simply click the calendar here to change the due date and click here to change the time. If you click underneath that box for the calendar and click edit, it will then allow you to schedule the time that you want the assignment to post. So if I don't want it to post until a future time, I can change that here. And so for instance, if I want it to post tomorrow for my first period, I'll say I want it to post tomorrow at 8:00 p.m. and I want it to be due by the end of the period or the end of the day. You would then go ahead and change that due date and due time as well. This close date is the absolute last date that you would allow them to turn it in. I very rarely choose that, but once you want the assignment closed and you don't want students trying to still do it, you can click the close date, and once you do that, they're no longer able to access it. So once we've done that, we click done. And if I've scheduled it for the future, I can simply click schedule. And then I see it's posted here and it's scheduled to come out. If you wanted to, let's do one from an existing assignment. I clicked create and then chose existing assignment. You choose the team that you want to get the assignment from. Click Next, and then we'll simply choose that assignment. All right, when you have chosen an assignment from another team, it copies over the instructions, the title of the assignment as well. If you wanted to, again, change the points or anything and assign it to a different team or multiple teams, all of that stays the same. You have the due date, or you can post it immediately without scheduling anything. The due date, again, is always going to be the next day at 11:59 p.m. And then you can simply click Assign, and it populates into the general post area and the assignments list right away. You can see here in the activity, it's posted. If you click the activity, you see that the assignment has been mentioned, which means it's posted to that particular team. All right, you can also create a quiz. Again, if you create a quiz, when you click on the quiz, it opens up to forms. So again, you can choose a form that you've already created, or you can choose here to create a form. I'm going to choose one that's already created just for our purposes here. You see right away it attaches that form to the assignment. And again, we have the points possible, who it's being assigned to, the due date, and then simply click Assign as well. All right, I hope this has been helpful to you in creating an assignment. Have a good day.